and welcome to Get Planting, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas garland. Now this is perfect for decorating your mantelpiece or your staircase at Christmas time. So what you'll need is a length of rope, so as long as you want your garland to be, and then a bit of floristry wire, and this is used to weave the material onto the rope, your snips or your pruners, and then some dried fruit is lovely and attractive at this time of year to add to it. And you can also get some dried seed heads, or you might want to finish it off with a bit of ribbon to really make it zing. So you'll also need some plant material foraged from your own garden if possible. So that's bits of pine, I've got bits of yew, contoniaster berries and pine cones. And if you're not able to get it from your garden, I'm sure a local florist or garden centre would be able to provide you with this material to make your garland. So let's get started. Cut your rope however long you need your garland to be, and then take your floristry wire and attach it around one end of the rope. For the pine cones that I foraged, I just used a small piece of floristry wire by wrapping it around the base to create a false stem. Then all you need to do is tuck it into the bundles. Then gather a bundle of foliage, berries and cones. The size of the bundles will determine how thick your garland will be. Try to keep all your bundles the same size. Lay the bundles on the rope and twist the wire around the bundle about 3 to 4 times. Make sure not to twist the rope and use it just as a guide. Continue to add bundles by slightly overlapping your last. Don't cut the wire till the end. Then wrap it tightly to hide it in amongst the foliage to finish it off. So that's the garland now finished and it's ready to go into the house, and it's going to look really pretty at Christmas time. I've added lots of different fruits and seed heads, and you can just keep adding to it until you're really happy to put it in your own home. Now thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more garden content then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.